Is your Roku running an older software version? In this video, I'll show you how to check for the latest Roku software update and install it in just a few simple steps. First, grab your Roku remote and go to the home screen. Now scroll down and select Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down to System and select Software Update. Here you will see important information about your Roku, including the current software version, when it was last checked for an update, and when it was last updated. Now select Check Now. Your Roku will connect to the update service and check whether a newer software version is available. If an update is available, you will see the new version along with an option to update now. Select Update Now, and Roku will automatically download and install the update. During the process, your Roku may restart. Don't unplug the device while the update is installing. Once the installation is complete, your Roku should restart with the latest available software. And that's it. That's how you can quickly check for and update your Roku device to keep its system software up to date. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roku, smart TV, and streaming device tips.